Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I'll take you through the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, just sit back, relax and enjoy the top stories of the day. Alia meets a very special fan while shooting for RRR. Priyanka can't keep calm because her book releases next month. Saif should think before speaking, alleges actor Mukesh Khanna. Salman's prodigy Suraj Pancholi can't find work in Bollywood. Priyanka Chopra Jonas is all set to be a published author soon with her book Unfinished all set to be released next month. प्रियंका shared a picture of herself with the cover of the book और लगता है कि ये achievement पीसी के लिए कुछ खास है. Priyanka Chopra Jonas is a woman with many achievements. Beauty queen, actor, singer, goodwill ambassador and a role model to millions of girls around the world. Priyanka is also associated with several initiatives to empower women and support individuals and communities around the world. लेकिन अपनी इन सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज के बीच में प्रियंका हैज ऑल्सो फाउंड टाइम टू कंप्लीट हर मेमोir Unfinished, which will be available for sale next month. Check it out. Priyanka Chopra Jonas has crafted a truly global career for herself, and after acting in several successful Bollywood films and turning producer, the actor has now created a space for herself in Hollywood as well. PC has several high-profile Hollywood films lined up for release, as well as a web series on a leading streaming platform. Though she was in lockdown for several months in LA, Priyanka ने कई social initiatives को भी अपना support दिया है. But now PC is awaiting the arrival of her first book, her memoir Unfinished, which is a collection of essays, stories and observations written by Priyanka as a reflection on her journey in the media and entertainment business. After announcing that she finished Unfinished during the lockdown and sharing a glimpse of the cover, PC has now shared a picture of what the finished copy of the book will look like. Priyanka looks thrilled as she shared a picture of herself, her book, or a mock-up of what her final memoir will look like. PC captioned her post, "That feeling when I'm holding my book in my hands for the first time. Just kidding. I only received the jacket, so I wrapped it around a book to see what it would really look like. I can't wait to get the first printed copy next month." Looks like she just can't wait any longer for her book, जिसपे उन्होंने कई सालों से काम किया है. And while she has held so many awards and trophies and even a Padma Shri in her hands, अपनी पहली किताब को अपने हाथों में पकड़ने की खुशी कुछ और ही है. But while she is busy filming for her next movie in London, Priyanka and her pop star husband Nick Jonas may also make time to attend the prestigious Global Citizen Prize Awards this year. This award ceremony will see several high-profile names from Hollywood and the Western music industry in attendance. The event will stream globally on December 19th, and we are excited to see what role Priyanka and Nick will play in this prestigious event. Congrats, PC! You make us proud. And we hope you keep going from strength to strength. ऋतिक को मिल गई है अपनी क्रिश 4 की लीडिंग लेडी. कियारा आडवाणी बनेंगी ऋतिक की लव इंटरेस्ट इन द अपकमिंग सुपर हीरो फिल्म that will soon be announced by Ritik's पापा, डायरेक्टर राकेश रोशन, जो इस फ्रेंचाइज के 4th इंस्टॉलमेंट पे कई महीनों से काम कर रहे हैं. Ritik's last film War was a huge blockbuster hit, and the actor has been enjoying his success while keeping a low profile off screen and on social media. Hrithik has been spending time with family and his kids during the extended lockdown and has yet to announce his next project. But it looks like Krish 4 may be his next on-screen appearance. Now, Hrithik has been enjoying a new experimental phase in his career and choosing challenging roles in films like Super 30 and War. Lekin even he can't resist the temptation of being a superhero one more time. Hrithik, who played a special agent in War, had wowed audiences with his salt and pepper hairstyle and toned physique while also matching Tiger Shroff's moves on the dance floor. The actor has become more selective over the years about his movie roles, but his commitment to his family's Krish franchise remains strong. There have been rumors doing the rounds for a long time now that a fourth installment in the Krish franchise is under development, and according to sources, पापा राकेश रोशन चाहते हैं कि ये फिल्म पहली सारी फिल्मों से बड़े स्केल पे माउंट हो. Safe to say, they also needed a leading lady who could hold her own opposite Hrithik and draw audiences to the theatre. While the makers were originally in talks with the tall and lovely Kriti Sanon, it seems that Kriti, who has already signed 5 films, didn't have any dates to give Krish 4. लेकिन लगता है Kriti's loss will be Kiara's gain, and the Gen Y star may be Krish's new lady love in the new installment of the film. There is apparently one more female role in the movie, लेकिन उसके लिए अभी तक कोई नाम finalize नहीं हुआ है. According to a source, Kiara was the obvious choice because she's not only pretty but also a really good performer. Plus, her on-screen pairing with Hrithik will be fresh. Currently, the Roshans are discussing the modalities with Kiara and will then take the final call. Looks like Kiara will have an exciting year ahead if she signs this project, and the actor who already has Shamshera and Jug Jug Jio in her kitty is all set to reach new heights in Bollywood.
बाकी कुछ हो ना हो, बट अगर बॉस ये ना हो ना, आपकी तो मौत है भाई. इतनी पागल जैसी ठंडी है इधर.
माशाल्लाह क्या मनाजिर है यार. फबी अल्लाह रब्बिकुम तुकद्दिबान. जब ये है तो जन्नत कैसी होगी.
After surprising many with her hush-hush wedding to Gujarat-based Anas Syed, Sana अपने हस्बैंड के साथ एंजॉय कर रही है कश्मीर के खूबसूरत नज़ारे as the couple spend time together on their honeymoon in paradise.
It's so cold here. It's Kashmir.
Sana Khan has been an actor, model and media personality for quite a few years. So when she announced in October this year that she will be quitting the showbiz to follow a more spiritual path, it came as a surprise to many. लेकिन उसके बाद एक बड़ा सरप्राइज सबको मिला जब उन्होंने अपनी शादी की अनाउंसमेंट की and shared some stunning pictures from her mehendi, wedding and reception functions. While people were taken aback by the news of her sudden wedding, Sana seems to be blissfully happy with her new Mia and is excited about beginning a new life with him. सना ने शादी के बाद भी अपने शौहर के साथ कई फोटोज और वीडियोस पोस्ट किए हैं and the couple have been enjoying small moments together like drives and cups of coffee. After a simple wedding ceremony with just family attending, Sana and Anas are now on their honeymoon. और दोनों ही कश्मीर की खूबसूरती को बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. Sana shared several glimpses of their travels in Srinagar as they took a tour around the city and enjoyed the stunning beauty of Dal Lake. लेकिन फिलहाल कश्मीर में ठंड भी बहुत है. So the former star is drinking many hot cups of traditional kava to keep herself warm. She even shared a social media update about how important the heater in their room is. क्योंकि इस तरह की ठंड ना मुंबई में पाई जाती है और ना गुजरात में।
बाकी कुछ हो ना हो, बट अगर बॉस ये ना हो ना, आपकी तो मौत है भाई। इतनी पागल जैसी ठंडी है इधर।
सना ने अपने हस्बैंड के साथ भी एक वीडियो शेयर किया where the two are admiring the views from their room, but it looks like the cold is bothering them a little bit क्योंकि उनके हस्बैंड व्यू की तारीफ करते करते भी ठंड के बारे में कमेंट कर गए।
What a view, man. Like,
एकदम बड़ी ठंड है।
हाँ।
माशाल्लाह।
How beautiful. How beautiful.
Sana has quit showbiz, but she still owns her beauty business and recently also shared that a new branch of her chain had opened in Nasik. We wish the couple a very happy married life and hope they have a great holiday.
माशाल्लाह क्या मनाजिर है यार। फबी अल्लाह रब्बिकुमा तुकद्दिबान, जब ये है तो जन्नत कैसी होगी।
Salman Khan's prodigy Suraj Pancholi had a dream debut in 2015 when he was launched by the Dabangg star in Hero. Unfortunately, things went downhill after his name was associated with the demise of actor Jia Khan. And the actor says it has become very difficult for him to find work now. स्टार किड सूरज पंचोली को बॉलीवुड में एंट्री मिली सलमान खान की मदद से, लेकिन उसके बाद अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ से जुड़ी कई प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से द एक्टर हैज बीन गोइंग थ्रू अ डिफिकल्ट स्पेल फॉर द लास्ट 7 years. He continues to fight a legal battle and defend himself in the legal case surrounding Jia Khan's demise. Suraj's name was also dragged into a controversy around the demise of Disha Salian and Sushant Singh Rajput. And it seems that the young actor has spent most of his professional career defending serious accusations. Suraj Pancholi, controversy's favorite child or the media's favorite scapegoat? अगर सूरज और उनके पेरेंट्स की मानी जाए तो उन्हें बार बार अलग इल्जामों में फंसाकर उन्हें बेवजह बदनाम किया जा रहा है। Suraj, who made his debut in 2015 with Salman Khan's production Hero, has been accused by the late Jia Khan's mother of abetting her daughter's demise. The actor also spent a few months in jail, and even 7 years later, the case is still continuing in court. इस तरह के केस में इन्वॉल्व होने की वजह से सूरज has fallen out of favor with producers who aren't associating themselves with him given all the legal baggage he comes with and the serious accusations that have been made against him. The last film Suraj worked in was Satellite Shankar, which released and tanked last year. And in an interview recently, the actor spoke about his legal woes being far from over. In fact, just this year, सूरज का नाम दिशा और सुशांत के डिमाइस के साथ भी जोड़ा गया था. According to some conspiracy theories, सूरज दिशा सालियन को डेट कर रहे थे, and the late celebrity manager decided to cause her own demise when things went wrong in their relationship. There were also allegations that सूरज को सुशांत expose करना चाहते थे. And that's why सूरज ने अपने पावरफुल कनेक्शंस को यूज करके सुशांत की जिंदगी भी खतरे में डाल दी. After being continuously dragged into the cases around Disha and Sushant's demise, Suraj had spoken up and said that he had a cordial relationship with Sushant, but didn't know Disha at all. Suraj's parents Zarina Wahab and Aditya Pancholi also said that their son had become a soft target for allegations given his legal battle with Jia Khan's mother. सूरज का मानना है कि इस वक्त पॉजिटिव रहने के अलावा उनके पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, and he will keep working hard towards fulfilling his goal of being an actor. सच क्या है और क्या है सनसनी, ये होपफुली कोर्ट और पुलिस क्लैरिफाई कर पाएंगे. But in the meanwhile, it seems like Salman's former prodigy has no option but to wait and watch.
हमारे सैफ अली खान ने अपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा है अपनी एक आने वाली फिल्म आदि पुरुष के किरदार के बारे में। उन्होंने कहा कि उन्हें लंकेश रावण का रोल करने में बहुत मजा आया, दिलचस्प लगा। उनके हिसाब से वो उन्हें मानवीय और मनोरंजक बना रहे हैं, दयालु दिखा रहे हैं। मेरा सिर्फ इतना ही कहना है उनसे कि हमारे एपिक के किरदारों के साथ छेड़छाड़ करना बंद कीजिए। जो अच्छे हैं उन्हें अच्छे रहने दीजिए, जो बुरे हैं उन्हें बुरे रहने दीजिए। आप अपनी तरफ से कोई ताकत मत लगाइए।
Saif Ali Khan's troubles over his comments about humanizing Ravan just don't seem to end. Saif has now been criticized by actor Mukesh Khanna, who feels कि सैफ को बोलने से पहले सोचना चाहिए था instead of apologizing later. Saif Ali Khan will be playing Lankesh, an adaptation of Ravan's character in the film Adi Purush. In a recent interview, Saif had spoken about a possibly new interpretation of the mythological character in the film, जिसमें रावण के actions को एक अलग नजरिए से present किया जाएगा, with an attempt to possibly humanize his actions. But it looks like Saif's comments have not gone down well with certain sections of the Indian public who have found them objectionable. Saif had mentioned in his interview, "It's interesting to play a demon king. Less strictures in that. But we will make him human, up the entertainment quotient, justify his abduction of Sita and the war with Ram as revenge for what was done to his sister Surpanakha by Lakshman, who cut off her nose." The possibility of Ravan being made human or Sita's abduction being justified angered several netizens, and after many strong reactions from the public and politicians began circulating in the media, Saif issued a statement apologizing for his comments. "I've been made aware that one of my statements during an interview has caused a controversy and hurt people's sentiments. This was never my intention or meant that way. I would like to sincerely apologize to everybody and withdraw my statement. Adi Purush is about celebrating the victory of good over evil, and the entire team is working together to present the epic without any distortions." But it seems that not everyone is in a mood to forgive Saif, and actor Mukesh Khanna, who had played Bhishma in the television adaptation of another epic Mahabharat, has now posted a video and added his statement. मुकेश जी ने सैफ की अपॉलॉजी को रिजेक्ट करते हुए कहा कि सैफ को सोच समझ के कमेंट करना चाहिए था, क्योंकि ये लोगों की फेथ और रिलीजन की बात है। मुकेश जी का कहना है कि सैफ के कमेंट्स उनकी नासमझी थी या बेवकूफी, ये तो वो नहीं जानते, लेकिन ऐसी फिल्म को लिखना और डायरेक्ट करना जिसकी वजह से लोगों के फीलिंग्स और श्रद्धा के साथ खिलवाड़ हो, ये उन्हें बिल्कुल मंजूर नहीं है। मुकेश जी एडेड इन हिज वीडियो,
हमारे सैफ अली खान ने अपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा है अपनी एक आने वाली फिल्म आदि पुरुष के किरदार के बारे में। उन्होंने कहा कि उन्हें लंकेश रावण का रोल करने में बहुत मजा आया, दिलचस्प लगा। उनके हिसाब से वो उन्हें मानवीय और मनोरंजक बना रहे हैं, दयालु दिखा रहे हैं। मेरा सिर्फ इतना ही कहना है उनसे कि हमारे एपिक के किरदारों के साथ छेड़छाड़ करना बंद कीजिए। जो अच्छे हैं उन्हें अच्छे रहने दीजिए, जो बुरे हैं उन्हें बुरे रहने दीजिए। आप अपनी तरफ से कोई ताकत मत लगाइए।
The veteran actor also alleged that this may be a promotional gimmick to deliberately create a controversial debate and create curiosity about the film. Though Saif has apologized for his comments, मुकेश जी ने उनकी माफी को नकारते हुए कहा कि सॉरी कहने से लोगों को हुई तकलीफ कम नहीं हो जाएगी। Now the breaking news is that Saif has written an apology for his statement. Wow! The British have made a beautiful word, sorry, but we do not approve. Why did you not think before speaking? He added in his angry video against the actor. It seems like Saif and the team of Adi Purush may have to take this angry reaction into consideration before they begin filming. क्योंकि इंडिया में रामायण के साथ क्रिएटिव लिबर्टीज लेना शायद उन्हें भारी पड़ जाए। प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, बट स्टे ट्यून्ड क्योंकि ब्रेक के बाद भी बाकी है बहुत कुछ खास। स्टे विद अस। Alia Bhatt has been super busy with the shoot of RRR. But it looks like the star took some time out to meet a very special fan of hers, जिन्हें उन्होंने गिफ्ट किया एक खास तोहफा भी। Alia Bhatt is time traveling through her films. After completing Gangubai Kathiawadi, which is set in the 1960s and 70s, the star has now journeyed back to the 1920s and pre-independence India with the 400 crore project RRR, where she will be seen romancing a freedom fighter. Alia has been busy with back-to-back shoots and films and will also be completing the shoot of Brahmastra hopefully by the end of the year before moving on to Kejo's magnum opus Tak. If it wasn't for the pandemic and lockdown, Alia would have completed filming and seen the release of at least one more film. But it looks like destiny had other plans. The actor, who spent several months in lockdown with her sister Shaheen and reportedly boyfriend Ranbir Kapoor, is now back to work in full swing. The actor recently shared on social media that she had joined the team of RRR in Hyderabad to complete filming some important scenes in the period drama that tells the story of two freedom fighters. सुनने में आया है that Alia will play the role of Sita opposite actor Ram Charan's character. And the star has been learning Telugu so that she can speak her own lines in the film. While she is busy with her shoot, it looks like Alia ने अपने एक बहुत खास फैन से मुलाकात करने के लिए स्पेशली वक्त निकाला and also gifted her a dress from her new eco-friendly clothing label that she recently launched. This special fan was none other than Sitara, who is the daughter of actor Mahesh Babu and former star Namrata Shirodkar. Sitara Alia की बहुत बड़ी fan है and she was thrilled to meet her favorite actor and get a special present from her. Sitara, who has her own social media handle, shared several pictures of herself posing in the dress and also shared a picture with Alia, जो अपने छोटे से फैन से मिलके बहुत खुश थी. Sitara captioned her post, "From my favorite actress to me. Thank you Alia Bhatt for this cute little dress. Made my day. Simply love it. Also wishing all the best and hope you shine for the kids out there." Alia and Sitara share a special bond, and the little Sitara had first bumped into Alia in New York 2 years ago when Alia was visiting Rishi Kapoor during his cancer treatment. लगता है तब से सितारा और उनके पेरेंट्स ने आलिया के साथ अपनी दोस्ती बढ़ाई है. And it was no surprise then that Alia too made time to meet her cutest fan while visiting Hyderabad. The RRR team began filming in October, and director S.S. Rajamouli has completed filming large portions of the film with his two main leads, Ram Charan and NTR Jr. Alia will be filming with the team for a week or 10 days, jiske baad she will have to film for 2 more schedules next year before the director can call a wrap on this magnum opus. All the best for your first pan-India film, Alia. We can't wait to see you on the big screen. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. But you guys, stay home and stay safe.